Have you ever heard of a plant so packed with nutrients that some scientists say it could end malnutrition worldwide? A plant that gives you more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. Yet almost nobody in the UK or US is using it. It's called Moringa, and once you discover what it can do for your energy, your heart, your skin, and even your mood, you might wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll reveal the most surprising benefits of Moringa, including one hidden advantage of Moringa powder that even regular users don't know, and it could be the real game changer. Let's begin with nutrition. Moringa leaves are a natural powerhouse. They're loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, plus minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Gram for gram, Moringa has more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. For people in the UK and US, where processed food often leaves us low on nutrients, Moringa acts like a natural multivitamin. Unlike synthetic supplements, plant-based nutrients are easier for the body to absorb, which means you actually get the benefit. Now, let's talk about energy and focus. Unlike coffee or energy drinks that spike and crash, Moringa provides steady energy throughout the day. Its iron, antioxidants, and amino acids help fight fatigue and keep your mind sharp. Many people notice that after adding a spoonful of Moringa powder to their smoothies or teas for just a week, they feel less drained and more alert. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, a natural boost from Moringa could carry you through. Another major benefit is heart health. High cholesterol, high blood pressure, and blood sugar issues are common in Western countries. Research shows Moringa may help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while supporting healthy blood sugar. Compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid protect the heart and arteries. For anyone worried about diabetes or heart disease, Moringa powder is an easy, food-based way to support long-term health. Moringa also contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation is often called the silent spark behind arthritis, heart disease, and even depression. Adding Moringa tea or sprinkling Moringa powder on meals helps calm inflammation naturally. It's like giving your immune system a shield against daily stress and wear. And here's something many people overlook. Moringa is great for skin and hair health. Its antioxidants and amino acids help the body build collagen and repair tissues, which means fresher-looking skin, stronger hair, and healthier nails. That's why Moringa oil is now found in natural beauty products. But taking Moringa internally may deliver results that creams alone can't, because it nourishes from the inside out. So, how do you actually use it? While fresh Moringa leaves are rare in the UK and US, Moringa powder is widely available. Add a teaspoon to smoothies, sprinkle it over salads, or stir it into warm water with lemon. Some even bake it into healthy muffins or energy balls. The taste is earthy, but it blends well with other foods, and once you start feeling the benefits, the flavor becomes secondary. To sum it up, Moringa truly deserves its name as the miracle tree. It boosts energy and immunity, protects the heart, calms inflammation, and supports glowing skin and strong hair. Just one spoonful of Moringa powder a day can make a noticeable difference in how you look and feel. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more science-based health tips that actually work.